Namaste. Welcome to week 3. Please make sure that you are going to practice only under supervision if there are any underlying medical conditions are there. So let us get started. Take 2 long and deep breaths. And then we will chant Omkara for 3 times. Inhale. Inhale. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale, take your hands behind, hold right wrist with left hand. Exhale, bend forward, bow down to Mother Nature. Inhale, come up, rub your palms, cup them on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes, looking into palms. And I again reiterate this, if there is any discomfort, immediately stop the practice and take expert's guidance. Let us get started. Stretch your legs. Let us start with ankle rotation, legs apart, and start rotating your ankles, first in clockwise direction and then in anti-clockwise direction. Do for 6 times in each direction. Reverse. 4, 5, 6. Relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Legs together, both palms on your knees. Now take your right leg in your hands and start rotating your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Repeat with a left leg. Start rotating your left knee by rotating the lower part of your leg. 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Then we'll start doing butterfly. Join the soles of your feet and pull your feet towards your perineum. And start flapping movements with your thighs, spine straight, head in line with spine, eyes closed, and keep flapping. Maintain your spine straight throughout the practice. Slowly stop the flapping movement and try to go forward. Extend your spine in the forward direction as much as possible. Stay there with normal breathing. Keep breathing. Keep feeling your hips and spine. Inhale, come back to center. And when you are going to stretch your legs, just make sure that you are first joining your knees and then stretching as shown in the video. Shake your legs a little bit. Then fold your legs inside to do joint movements regarding the upper part of our body, that is wrists, elbows and shoulders and neck. So first we are starting with wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Hands down. When you are doing wrist rotation, make sure that you are folding your thumb first and covering other fingers on your thumb. Inhale. Raise your arms to shoulder level, palms facing up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chin down. Inhale. Open your arms. Exhale. Fold your arms. Repeat. Do your 100%. Next we are going to start with shoulder rotations. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6. Head in line with spine. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. And start neck movements. Exhaling, bend your head to right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. One more time. Inhale, center. Next we are going to do spine neck twisting towards right and left. This is also same. When you are inhaling, come to center. When you are exhaling, twist towards sides. After doing 2 or 3 times on each side, stop the practice. Inhale, relax. Now let us get started with Tadasana. Stand with your legs together. Inhale, raise your arms over your head, turning your palms upside and standing on your toes. Exhale, come down. Come on your heels. Inhale. Stretch nicely. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay there with normal breathing and then come down. You can stay there for 20 seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute depending on your comfort level. Just take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths after completing Tadasana. And now we are going to practice Tiryak Tadasana. Your toes are pointing straight. Inhale. Again, raise your arms over your head, palms turned outside. Exhale, bend towards your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Observe your lateral muscles as you are practicing this. Exhale, left. Inhale straight, keep straightening your hands throughout the practice. Inhale center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right, and hold there for 5 seconds. Inhale center, exhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Slowly bring your hands down as you exhale. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. Now let us get started with Kati Chakrasana. Stand with your legs 1.5 to 2 feet apart. Inhale, raise your arms to shoulder level. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Please watch the movement of hands in the video, because we are going to wrap one hand around your waist and the other resting on your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, twist right. Make sure that you are pressing your feet firmly on the ground throughout the practice, and don't twist your knees, twist only the upper part of your body. And after practicing 4 to 5 times, just hold for 5 seconds on each side. Now we are holding on left side. Slowly bring your hands down. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Now we are going to practice wide leg squat, sumo squat or Kailashasana. So like this. Inhale. Make sure that your toes are turning to sides. Exhale up. Inhale. So while inhaling we are going to squat, and while exhaling we are going to come up. Please go down as much as your knees support. Don't go overly down. If you want, you can just do the pulsating squat. Again, according to your comfort level. And then hold the pose for a few seconds. Slowly come up. Just make sure that your toes are pointing to the opposite walls, and then relax. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. Now let us get started with Surya Namaskar. Now we will be starting Surya Namaskar, but make sure that if there are any underlying medical conditions such as back pain, knee pain, hypertension, heart problems, hernia, recent abdominal surgeries, etc., please don't attempt doing Surya Namaskars like this. You need a particular guidance and a proper different modifications depending on your conditions. And moreover, we are going to do accounting with numbers here. If you need a detailed explanation, we have done it earlier. Please check the description box for that link. You will find there the detailed explanation of Surya Namaskar. Here we'll be doing with numbers. Say for example, 1 is Pranamasana, 2 is Ardha Chakrasana, 3 is Padahastasana. In this manner we are going to do. So take 2 long and deep breaths, and the breathing part of it, everything you will find in the detailed explanation. So 2, 3, bend forward, 4, right leg back, look up, 5, left leg back, 6, 7, glide forward, raise your head and chest up, 8, Parvatasana, 9 right leg front, look up, 10, 11 and 12. 1, namaste, 2, 3, 4 left leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left leg front, look up, 10, 11, 12, namaste. 1, namaste, 2, inhale, bend back, 3, exhale, bend forward, 4, inhale, right leg back, hips down, look up, 5, Parvatasana, 6, Sishuasana, 7, Bhujangasana, 8, Parvatasana, 9, inhale, right leg front, Ashvasanchalanasana, 10, Padhastasana, 11, Ardhachakrasana and 12. 1, Pranamasana, 2, Ardhachakrasana, 3, Padhastasana, 4, left leg back, Ashvasanchalanasana, 5, Parvatasana, 6, Shishuasana, 7, Bhujangasana, 8, Parvatasana, 9, left leg front, Ashvasanchalanasana, 10, Padhastasana, 11, Ardhachakrasana and 12, Pranamasana. 1, namaste, 2, 3, 4, right leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right leg front, 10, 11 and 12. 1, namaste, 2, 3, 4, left leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg front, 10, 11, 12. Take 2 long and deep breaths before we start the next set of 6 Surya Namaskars. You can do it slowly at your own pace. This is a little advanced. For a pure beginner, please refer to the other video which I was mentioning before. 1, namaste, 2, 3, bend forward, 4, right leg back, 5, left leg back, 6, 7, 8, 9, right leg front, 10, 11, 12. 1, namaste, 2, 3, 4, left leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg front, 10, 11 and 12. Take break in between if necessary. 1, namaste, 2, 3, 4, right leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right leg front, 10, 11 and 12. 1 namaste, 2, 3, respect your body all the time, 4, left leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg front, 10, 11, 12. Last 2 rounds. 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4, right leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right leg front, 10, 11, 12. 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4, left leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg front, 10, 11 and 12. So after completing 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar, just lie down in Shavasana. Take few long and deep breaths. So take few long and deep breaths. Please remember, do Surya Namaskars according to your comfort level only. Don't force yourself. Listen to your body and respect your body. If you feel it is faster, go slow. If you feel you need to increase few more rounds, you can even do that. But whatever it is, listen to your body. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. And slowly turn to one side, get up and stand. Stand comfortably with your legs together and hands beside body, and slowly take your right hand up as you inhale. As you exhale, bend towards your left. Keep breathing normally. Lock your knees completely. Do not bend them. And keep bending towards your left as much as you can without bending your knees. Keep breathing throughout the practice. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. As you are inhaling, just come up and bring your hand down. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. So what we are doing is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. See, from your body looks like a half wheel from your waist. Repeat with left hand. Inhaling, raise your left hand up. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Stay there with normal breathing. You can see it is looking like an arc of a circle. Inhale, relax. Keep breathing. Inhale, relax. When you are inhaling, come back to center and get your hand down as you exhale. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breathe in and out. Inhale. Relax. Now we are going to practice Ardha Chakrasana. Stand with your legs together and see that your thumbs are touching on your back and other fingers are spread on your lateral muscles. Take your elbows back. As you inhale, bend back. Bend as much as you can and stay there with normal breathing. Do not bend your knees. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. And when you are exhaling, come back to center. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. After each pose, rest in Sidhila Tadasana, where you stand with your legs apart and loosely leave your hands. Relax your shoulders. And for the next one, if you have a chair handy, take it. Otherwise, you can even do it near a wall. So what you have to do is, as you are inhaling, raise your both hands up, turn your palms front. Now as you are exhaling, bend only that much, just parallel to ground, not more than that. Inhale. Relax. Stay there with normal breathing. You can slightly raise your head, not much, but more or less keep it in line with your spine. Keep stretching your hands in the front. Instead of chair, you can even place your hands on a wall. Just stay there with normal breathing. Inhale. Relax. And observe that I didn't place my legs straight. They are slightly turned inwards, both feet. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring your hands down. So you can either do like this, or you can do without using a chair also. So as usual, take your hands up. Now as you are exhaling, first come parallel to ground and exhale completely there and slowly go down and try to place your palms down and slightly raise your head. Don't keep it completely down. So this is Uttanasana. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. This stretches your spine nicely. We are doing this as complementary to Ardha Chakrasana, which we did earlier. So inhale, rise completely. First take your hands in line with your body and then raise completely up. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. And then stand with your legs apart, 3 feet. Inhaling, raise your arms to shoulder level. Exhale, twist towards your right. Place your left palm towards the outside of your right foot. Turn your head and look towards your left palm. Parivritta Trikonasana. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhale, come back to center and bring your hands down. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Again, as you are inhaling, raise your hands up. As you exhale, twist to your left. Place your right palm on outside of your left foot. Turn your head and look at your right palm. Take a deep breathe in. Look at your left palm. Inhale. Relax. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhale, bring your hands down. Again, Siddhila Tadasana. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Stand with your legs together. Now we are going to practice chair pose or Utkatasana. Make sure that when you are bending your knees should not go crossing your toes. They should not go. Try to keep your knees always inside your toes, and after you go down bending your knees, tuck your tummy in and see there is no arch in your back. Stay there for 5 to 10 seconds. If it is difficult to raise your hands up, you can even place your hands on your waist, or you can either stretch your hands in the front, so whichever is comfortable for you. Just make sure that you are bending properly without straining your knees. Now place your left elbow on your right thigh and join both palms in Namaskara Mudra. Keep looking up. Stay there for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Repeat other side. Same way, your right elbow rests on your left thigh and both palms joined in Namaskara Mudra. Slowly come up. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Now we'll be practicing a balancing pose. So just one step forward with your right leg. Inhale, raise your hands up. As you exhale, lean forward, raising your left leg up, and try to maintain your whole body in one straight line, starting from your fingers to your toes. Keep looking at a fixed point. Relax. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. And repeat with your left leg. Step forward with your left leg. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, lean forward, lifting your right leg up. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. And come back to normal position. If it is very difficult and you are not able to maintain balance here, you can choose another variation where we take our hands in sideways instead of lifting them in the front, and slightly lift our leg. So start with your right leg, aeroplane pose. So this is how you can do an easier variation. Repeat the same with your left leg. Inhale. Relax. keep trying this, not only during practice, even otherwise also keep trying. Balancing poses need a lot of practice to master them. And then slowly lie down in Shavasana. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Slowly turn to your right side. You can take a couple of breaths there, placing your right hand under your head, and then get up and sit. Sit comfortably. Take a long and deep breathe in. Now we are going to practice Bhastrika Pranayama. Make sure that you are completely healthy to practice this. In case of chronic back pain or any heart problems or hypertension and anxiety problems, in all those cases you are not supposed to practice. And if you have any like hernia and other abdominal surgeries also, don't practice Bhastrika, because we really take very forceful breaths here. So make sure that you are completely healthy. That's what I can say. So what you have to do is inhale, exhale forcefully, and after doing 10 times, after taking 10 breaths like that, just take your chin towards your chest. You will feel automatic cessation of breath. That is, breath stops on its own. You don't feel like inhaling. So the moment you feel like inhaling, just raise your head and inhale. Let us get started. Chin down. Please remember, we don't hold our breath on our own. Because of the process we did and because of completely eliminating carbon dioxide out of our lungs, breath stops on its own. So enjoy that phase, and the moment you feel like inhaling, raise your head and inhale. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out completely. Take one more deep breathe in and out. So this is taking our hand support to do Bhastrika Pranayama. So closed fists in front of shoulders. When you are inhaling, just take your hands up. When you are exhaling, bring your hands down and make fist again. After doing 5 to 10 times, get your chin down and again experience the automatic cessation of breath, and make sure you are closing your eyes throughout the practice. The moment you feel like breathing in, just raise your head and inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale. Relax. If you feel using your hands to do this pranayama is easier, continue doing the same. Closed fists in front of your shoulders and start. Inhale, exhale forcefully, or you can either have your hands on your thighs also. Do it 5 to 10 times. Follow your own breath pace. What all you need to do is completely inhale and completely exhale. After doing it 5 to 10 times, chin towards your chest. Enjoy the stage of automatic cessation of breath or Kevala Kumbhaka. Slowly raise your head as you inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Left hand in Chin Mudra, thumb and index finger touching each other. Other three fingers stretched out. Right hand in Nasika Mudra with your index and middle fingers are folded into your palm. Close your left nostril and breathe only through your right nostril. We are performing right nostril breathing. Keep doing it. After doing 5 rounds or 6 rounds, just take both your hands on your thighs. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. Inhale. Relax. And repeat with your left nostril. So for that, close your right nostril using your thumb. Slowly start inhaling and exhaling from only left nostril. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Slowly place both your hands on your thighs. Take few long and deep breaths. With each inhalation, feel that positive energy is entering into you. With each exhalation, feel that all the negative emotions and worries are going out of you. With this peaceful mind, let us bless whole world to be happy and healthy. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly take your hands back as you are inhaling and hold your right wrist with left hand. Pull your hands down as you exhale. Bend forward, bow down to Mother Earth for supporting us. Inhale, come up, rub your palms, cup them on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes looking into your palms. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.